Welcome to MarineMax at Gulf Shores. Today we're looking at the all-new 2018 redesigned Boston Whaler 170 Montauk. Let's step on board and check out some of the cool features. Starting here at the aft, you have port and starboard aft seats that feature a plug-in backrest for added comfort. Of course, also to the side of it, you're featuring a Mercury 90 horsepower engine. Working yourself over here to the console area. From captains to novice, any expert will appreciate the intuitive helm console with stainless steel accents. Let's check out some stuff in the bow. A new integrated forward fish box drains overboard for you. Of course, it's still pre-wired with your trolling motor capabilities up here in the bow as well. It has the nice low-profile stainless steel holders there, as well as cup holders. And as you see here, you get the nice cushioned cooler seat. Another favorite of mine is this reversible pilot seat, which features a locking backrest and 12-gallon live well. The available Teak Package you see here on the gunnels really dresses the Montauk up and gives it a timeless vintage look. Length overall in the new Montauk is 17 foot 4 inches. It's a little bit beamier than the last edition. You're at 7 foot 3 inches. Your draft is 12 inches. Your weight loaded with fuel and water is 1890. Come here to MarineMax at Gulf Shores, where we'd love to sell you the boating dream as well. Thank you.